With every Nobu project, we look at the core DNA of Nobu, their sense of hospitality, their sense of simplicity, and find a way to marry that with what we can discover about local culture and community. I think there's some really interesting parallels of what a unique city Barcelona is, and truly what a culinary outlier Nobu's always been. His combination of Japanese mastery and South American tastes, his use of very simple shapes but with things that feel great to the touch. So we spent a lot of time finding great analogies between the uniqueness of Barcelona and the uniqueness of Nobu.
Barcelona is such an amazing city, obviously, and architecturally, so many amazing properties. Looking at things like Gaudi, for instance, using broken pottery as a way to sort of decorate the forms. We translated that. There's a Japanese tradition called Kintsugi, which is taking broken pottery and gluing it together with molten gold. And so, using that simple kind of gesture of design and to create something interesting in the property. The bar here on the top of the roof, it's a tower, and the bar up here has the Kintsugi as sort of the centerpiece of the entire space.
The way you're greeted, the way you're welcomed when you enter a Nobu is actually a very specific engagement, and it involved the relationship with the sushi chef. And so we've taken a lot of our cues from creating an entry sequence where when you come in, I think you will feel you're in this very gracious space. It's a two-story space, but also very much crafted about your experience. The colors are inspired by kind of the vibrancy of the landscape, the local landscape. So I think you'll be intrigued, but you'll also feel very connected. And it's one of the facts about hospitality design that if you don't really pay attention to, you understand, but so much of the design is about enabling hospitality and finding moments where you can connect. So we hope that guests come in and feel surprised that it's a totally unique place, and at the same time kind of connected, that they found a kind of a Nobu experience that feels related to other Nobu experiences.